Let's take a look at this SAT math problem. It says to find average of the given fractions. We have 1 over 4th, we have 1/3 and half. So now, if you've ever faced this problem in an SAT exam, first thing you need to look over here is average, and you need to remember how to calculate average. Average is simply equal sum over number of numbers. What does that mean? Let's understand how average works. So let's say you were given 4, 4, 6, and 10, and you were asked to find the average of these given numbers. So the first step is it is to add them, because sum means to add. 4 plus 4 will be 8, plus 6 plus 10, that will give you 24. Now, over number of numbers, what does that mean? Well, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, so we put this over 4. And now 24 divided by 4 will be 6. Now, this is how we can understand average, but now it might seem a little complicated, because since you need to find the average of fractions, it might be confusing, but you take the same steps for finding the average. So let's go ahead and let's write 1 over 4 plus 1 over 3 and half. So how can we find the average? Well, we need to add these fractions. So let's start with the first one. Let's add these two first, so to make it easier. So I'll go on this side and I will add these two. Now here's a fast way to add these fractions. So you can cross multiply. 1 times 3 will be 3, and 4 times 1, that will be 4. And then you multiply these two. 4 times 3 is 12. Now you add them. 3 plus 4, that will give me 7 over 12. Now let's go ahead and let's add half plus 7 over 12, and we can use the same method to quickly add these two fractions. So I can do 12 times 1, that will be 12, and 2 times 7, that will be 14 over 12 times 2, that will be 24. Now I can add 12 plus 14, that will give me 26 over 24. But this fraction here can be reduced. If we divide by 2, we can reduce it to 13 over 12. Alright, so we have 13 over 12, but we are not finished, because we have found the sum. We have added the fractions. Now we need to divide 13 over 12 divided by 3. We're given 3 fractions, 3 values to be added, so it is 13 over 12 divided by 3. How do we solve this? Well, this is the same as 13 over 12 divided by 3. And now, whenever we divide fractions, we need to do the opposite of division, which is multiplication, and we need to do reciprocal for this number here. So that will be 13 over 12 times 1 over 3. Now we can multiply. 13 times 1 will be 13, and 12 times 3 will be 36. So this is how we solve this SAT problem.